Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make curved or wavy backgrounds in Canva. So here I am in my Canva account dashboard. And for example, I'll create a blank presentation right here. So just click on it and then it should open in a new tab. So here is our Canva editor. So if you want to make curved or wavy backgrounds, a simple way to do it is that you can just go to elements and just search wave. And then you will have a bunch of different graphics right here, which you can use. So if it has this crown icon right here, that means that you need to have a Canva Pro account. But if not, you can still use them for free. So the other graphics right here that doesn't have the crown icon, that means it is free to use. So for example, here is an example of a curve and then a wave, and then you can go ahead and change the colors of this specific graphics. For example, like that. Now I'll create a new page, and another way that you can create a curves or waves right here in Canva is that you can use an application. So just go here to the Canva apps, and then from the search bar, just type in wave. And then you can use different applications right here. So we'll tackle this for applications. So for example, for waves, you can open it and then you can create your own waves right here. So you can choose your wave shade if you want peaks, curves, steps. Then you can change the aspect ratio. For example, I want curves. And then for the complexity, for example, let's choose 10. And then for the height range, let's choose 10 as well. So it will look like that. Or you can choose a lower height range. So it will look like this. So just choose your preferred height range. So for example, 8. And for the complexity, so you can see different complexities right here as they go up. So let's choose 8, then click add to design. So if you are not satisfied with the look of the wave, you can click generate so that it will generate a different design of the wave. And then now we have this waves right here. And then you can go ahead and change the color if you want. For example, we'll have that yellow and then red. So it will look like this. Another way is that we can use the other apps right here. For example, wave generator. Click on open. So we have this three types of shapes right here, and then we can adjust the look of the wave. So you have like a square wave, you have this triangle waves, and then you have this circle waves right here. And then for the intensity, you can just go ahead and drag the slider right here so that you can change the look of your wave. Then you can click randomize to have another design of the wave. Then you can add it to your design, and then we have our wave right here. Then we can layer it to the back of the design so that it will look like this as a background. And then another thing is that we can use another app. We can use the wave maker right here. Click on open. So you have a lot of choices to create your waves. So from the wave maker, you can choose the value of your waves, and then you can choose the number of layers up until 5. For example, I'll choose 4, and then for the height, you can also increase the height. Then for the mode, you can have a left chair, right chair, boat, inverted boat, or classic. So it depends on your preference. Then for the color, you can choose if you want a solid color or a gradient color. Then for the angle, you can adjust the angle as well of your wave. So just click add to design, and then it will be added to our Canva slide right here. So as you can see, we have ingredient, and then you can change the color, for example. Let's make it red, then pink, then purple, and maybe yellow. So it will look like this. So you can customize the look of your wave or your curve. And then for the other app, we have Canwave. So you can click on it. Then let's create a new slide. And then you can go ahead and choose your wave type if you want a solid wave, a gradient wave, or a line wave. And then you can choose if you want a curved wave or a pointy wave. Then you can also choose the number of layers. For example, let's choose 3. And then for the angle of the gradient right here, let's choose 130. Then for the complexity, we can see a little pop-up right here so that we can still see the wave. Then for the height variation, so let's choose 1. Then you can generate again to generate different types of waves. So for pointy, it will look like this. For curved, it will look like this. So click add to design, and then we have our wave background right here. And then that's it. We have covered a lot of different ways for you to create a curved wave or a curved or wavy backgrounds right here in Canva. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.